Are you here to learn how to make her wet? Leave her soaking, dripping? Well, you're in the right place. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Negusimara, and I would like for you to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you find value in the piece of information I'm about to give. Enjoy. Tip number 1, stimulate her mind. You need to open what's here before you open what's down there. Get to know her. What's her likes and her dislikes? Learn to read her body language. That'll let you know if what you're doing is working or not working. You need to build an emotional connection with this woman you're about to experience a wonderful night with. Yes. And once you build that emotional connection, the possibilities are endless. Because you've now created a room that's so comfortable. She's just going to let go. She's going to melt away, bro. And as I said, the possibilities are endless. She's now comfortable. She doesn't feel as if you're going to judge her when she wants to explore and do certain things. She's comfy. And you need to build that feeling. And once you do that, gushy. Tip number 2, tease her. Tell her all the things that you want to do before you're going to do it. Let her know. Whisper it. Yo, I'm going to F this out of you. Have her mind wandering. It's going to be all over the place. She's right here with you, but her mind is going to be all over the place. You guys are kissing. Slowly pull back. Don't disconnect lips, but slowly pull back while you're kissing and watch her follow you. That is the indication that she wants to be all over you. That's the indication that she is now gushy. Tease her, bro. Talk to her dirty. Tip number 3, don't rush. When you rush, you're telling her you want to be out of there ASAP. When you rush, you're letting her feel as if she's not valuable enough to be studied. That she's not valuable enough to be catered to second by second, minute by minute. You rush, she's going to feel uneasy. But if you slow it down, make direct eye contact, she's going to feel as if you never want to leave. She's going to feel like this is now home for you. She's going to feel appreciated with all the slow stares and the listening of the conversation. Because you can't be mid-conversation and trying to take her clothes off. That's a turn off. She wants somebody that will listen. Can you be that person? Tip number 4, vocal seduction. Now your voice plays a great part in how you're perceived. You see, the squeakier the voice or the softer or high pitched the voice is, the weaker you seem. But if bass is added to your voice, you seem more masculine now. You seem like a protector. You seem like the individual she should spread eagles for. Now, studies have shown what I just said to you is facts. The deeper your voice is the more attractive and more masculine you seem. You appear to be more masculine. Have you ever met someone or met a guy look like the regular average Joe, like a square, but the minute he opened his voice and you hear, "Hey, what's going on? Hello, sir," you're like, damn, who the hell is this guy? Because you thought just by his appearance that he's a pipsqueak, but he spoke and the bass echoed in the room. Now you're starting to look at him differently now. It's proven. Add a little bass to your voice and it's over. Speak slower. And again, eye contact. Let her know this is where you want to be. She ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. Now for the last tip. Tip number 5. Touch her erogenous zones. Negus, what's an erogenous zone? Well, that's a part of the body that's very sensitive to the point where if you touch it, she gets aroused. Negus, what are these areas? What's an erogenous zone? Well, a woman has way more erogenous spots than men. And that works in your advantage, huh? Now, an erogenous spot, lips, nipples, lower abdomen, inner thighs, the back of her neck, her lower back, her ass, grab it and squeeze it, her feet. I like feet. I like pretty feet. These are the areas you can touch before you even touch the vaginal cavity. These are the areas that'll get her gushy. These are the areas that'll have her screaming ooh wee before you even inserted anything. I guarantee you, by the time you're ready to put your hand down there, it's a tsunami. Because you've already opened up her mind. And then when she's wanting more, you teased her, you pull back. And she saw that you wanted to be here because you didn't rush. You also gave off ultra masculine vibe with the slowness of your speech and the deepness of your voice and direct eye contact. It reassures her that you're one confident son of a gun. And now she's dripping, my friends. But as I said, don't ignore those areas. Again, let me repeat. Her lips, her nipples. I love to run my tongue between a girl's breasts. Then I run it on the nipple. And then I run it over to the next nipple. Run your fingers over her lower abdomen. Run your fingers down her back. Nibble on her lips, nibble on her nipples. Rub her inner thighs. Touch her feet. You never know. See how she reacts when you touch these areas. Is it a pullback, or does she curve her back like she's saying, fuck? Once you're able to read body language, you're going to be a better sex partner. So those are my 5 tips. Get to know her, tease her, touch her erogenous spots, seduce her with your voice. Don't rush. And you just let me know if these tips work. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Negusimara. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If I was of any help today, let me know. Up move.